Feeling stuck in life? This story will light a fire in you. Listen, learn, and transform your English skills. What if I told you? One small decision could change your entire life. Today, you'll hear Daniel's inspiring journey, from feeling lost and defeated to finding purpose and success. Not only will you get motivated, but you'll also learn powerful vocabulary and speaking techniques to sound confident in English. So, put your phone on silent, open your heart, and let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a young man named Daniel. He dreamed of becoming a great speaker, but he was painfully shy. Every time he stood in front of people, his hands shook and his voice trembled. One day, an old teacher in the village noticed Daniel's struggle and decided to help him. The teacher gave Daniel a simple challenge. Every morning, he had to stand in front of a mirror, look himself in the eyes, and say one sentence out loud. I am confident, I am strong, and I can speak with courage. At first, Daniel laughed at the exercise. It felt silly, and he doubted it would work. But the teacher insisted. Small steps lead to big changes. Days passed, then weeks. Daniel began to notice something. His voice grew steadier. His eyes no longer avoided their own reflection. 1 month later, the teacher invited Daniel to speak to a small group. His heart raced, but this time, he remembered his daily practice. He took a deep breath and began speaking. To his surprise, the words flowed easily. The group listened intently. For the first time, Daniel felt the power of his own voice. From that day on, Daniel made a promise to himself. Never let fear silence him again. And the truth is, we all have a Daniel inside us, a voice waiting to be heard. All it takes is small daily steps to awaken it. And that was Daniel's journey, a reminder that small steps lead to big changes. Now, it's your turn to take action. But before you go, let's make sure you not only feel motivated, but also speak English like a pro. Up next, we'll explore the key vocabulary from today's story, and I'll guide you through a speaking practice so you can use these words in your own conversations. Let's dive in. Courage. The ability to face fear or difficulty. Example. It takes courage to speak in front of a crowd. Describe a time when you showed courage. Trembled. Shook slightly due to fear, excitement, or weakness. Example. His hands trembled before his first speech. What situations make you tremble with excitement or fear? Challenge. A task or situation that tests someone's abilities. Example. Learning public speaking was a big challenge for Daniel. What is the biggest challenge you have faced? Steadier. more controlled or stable. Example: his voice became steadier after weeks of practice. How can you make your skills steadier over time? Surprise. Something unexpected. Example: to his surprise, the audience applauded loudly. Tell me about a pleasant surprise you experienced. Flowed. Moved smoothly without stopping. Example: the words flowed naturally during his speech. What's one activity where your thoughts flow easily? Silence. The absence of sound or speech. Example: he decided never to let fear silence him again. When do you enjoy silence the most? Awaken. To make someone aware or to bring something to life. Example: daily practice helped awaken Daniel's confidence. What habit could awaken your potential? Now, let's do a quick speaking practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I will say each sentence twice. I am confident. I am confident. I am strong. I am strong. I can speak with courage. I can speak with courage. Small steps lead to big changes. Small steps lead to big changes. My voice matters. My voice matters. Speak for 1 minute using today's key vocabulary. Talk about a real-life situation or create your own short story. Focus on fluency, not perfection. Set a timer and challenge yourself. You have done amazing work today. Remember, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Keep practicing these words, these sentences, and your storytelling skills every single day. Soon, speaking English will feel as natural as breathing. This is Shelley from Daily English Vocabulary, and I will see you in the next lesson.